Alright, so, before we get into this week's RWT, if you're wondering why I'm sick again, you could tell just by my voice that I'm not really feeling my best. I went to the doctor yesterday, and they said I might have pneumonia. So I'm going to be home for the next couple days, just laying at home, being bored and depressed. So yeah. Yeah, it sucks. There's a lot of illnesses going around this year that is making everybody sick. Like, I swear, this year I have missed more school than I did last year. I have never missed this much school in my life. At least I don't think I missed this much in my life. I mean, I swear, my fucking attendance is like a bunch of excused illnesses and a bunch of unexcused absences from October when I used to skip a lot. Like, I swear. This year was off. Turn that on. Take all this out of here. So now I'll just keep them. So yeah. Hope y'all enjoy this compilation of alerts. Thank you. And it's currently 9:43. We'll start with the siren test.
KXI 62 at Montezuma, WXM91 at Raspin Lake, WNG 730 at Azumla, KZZ 51 at Carroll, KZZ 68 at Van Wert, KXI 65 at Lennox, WNG 666 at Iowa Falls, WNG 668 at Denison, WNG 688 at Ringston, KJY 63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.gov/Des Moines. Once again, please visit the NOAA Weather Radio section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming. Lows northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour for Thursday night.
Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm at Zeta. During dangerous weather situations, especially boat radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time.
Oh, yes!
Between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected
National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm at
transmitter you are listening to.
During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard.
Tone will vary at
Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
The weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
The test will be postponed.
Oh my
until
god,
the
everything
next day.
activated.
This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches.
This is New Weather Radio WNG
Both failed.
Rochester, broadcasting
On the
on a
transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check out our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
Stop.
Pressure was 29.90 inches and falling.
Alright, activation overview. Wait, V4 went off. V3 went off. V5 activated. V3 activated. Early V4 activated. This guy sadly didn't go off. It's not even turned on. Let's see here. I know I should not be doing this. I don't even know. 253. 249 Emerson. Both of the 262s failed. Now, it's because of these. These things right here are prone to causing interference.
West of today, mostly sunny.
That's why they didn't go off. 991 went off just fine.
An hour. For tonight.
200 was freezed. EAR 10 activated. 519. 120. WR 10. Both 1630 to 50. 300 V8. 150. Why didn't you go off?
10 to 15 miles an hour once again.
I swear you had a clear signal. 400. 247. All three 247s went off. Both 240s. CKW 2000. The 210 and the 50 went off. That does not have a siren. Alright, next test will be Chan Hansen.
Mostly clear. Lows in the mid-20s. Northwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, colder.